As you know, Instagram allows you to create reels and save them as drafts. And in this video, I'm going to explain how you can save those drafts to your gallery. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to create a reel. So I swipe right and down here I choose reel. As you can see, I could either record a video or I could tap on this gallery icon down here and choose from my gallery. Let's say I choose favorites and then I choose these photos and tap next. Now Instagram is suggesting some audio for my video. I'm going to just choose the first one, tap next. Again, next. And here you could either add a caption, edit cover, or whatever you want to do, and then share it with your followers, or you can tap on save draft and save this reel as a draft. Now, let's say I want to find that draft and save it to my gallery. So what I do is I swipe right, and here, as you can see, it says I have 7 drafts. So the last one that says edited just now, I'm going to tap on this edit icon here. And if I tap in the middle of the screen, I swipe right, the last item is for download, so I just save it. Now, the thing you need to pay attention to is that the video, when it's saved, it says it will get saved with no audio. Save without audio, you can still save your video, but the audio will be removed, and that is only because of copyright. There's nothing we can do about it. So you can only save the video without any sound, and you can edit it with different editing applications, or you can just add a song to it when you want to post it on Instagram or TikTok or any application that you want. As you just saw, saving reels from drafts is not difficult at all. The only problem is we cannot save it with the audio. Hope this helps, and don't forget to subscribe for more.